Good morning. Myself Ritik Sharma, student ID 2015198. So, Partner is an app which is used for recording personal health. The idea is simple, that is electronic health system. Patients or users can use this app to upload data, and if he or she visits to any doctor, doctors are able to see the reports. To understand in detail, let us start with the registration part. In the registration part, here we are able to register as a user, means a patient, or as a doctor.
Now, as we have already created the user's account, now we are able to log in using his email address and other details like password. So now we can log in the system. Now we are directed to the home page where we can see the on the main home page we are able to see the images which are uploaded on the net by the user, that is on Firebase database. So here we can see, on clicking the arrow button on any of the list styles, we are able to see that who have seen these images. For example, this is the image which was seen by Dr. Nirmala Sharma on 5th of January 2022. And we can also add the image by clicking on the add image button, and then we can select any of these options. And then we can, for example, I'm taking it from camera, and then click an image and then save it. Now I need to provide name to this image, that is we will giving it be RT-PCR test, and then we will be uploading it. Therefore, after clicking on the upload button, we will be getting an flutter toast, we can say, notification that says image is saved. And lastly, we are able to see the profile which we have. This contains the information which we have entered while registering in the database or in the system. Now let us log out from here, and let us log in as the doctor. As we have already seen that we have created an I have already created an account, and so let me use those credentials and log in the system. Okay, so now I am able to log in as the doctor. So doctors also have three options in the bottom navigator bar, that is home page, and then obviously enter in add an image. So add an image function is same as in the user part, but here's the difference, that user id is added so that the image is saved for the particular user. Lastly, there is the profile where we are able to see the credentials of the user which he have entered while registering in the app. Also at the home page we are able to see the list of doctors. After allowing the user, or after allowing the doctor, he will be able to add image, that means upload the image or view the credentials of the users. So here we have already allowed Jimmy to upload, and he is verified. In this case, if he wants to see anyone's profile, for example Ganesh Sharma or Tom Peterson, Sanjay Sharma, these all are the list of the users, and if he clicks on the arrow button of any of the list styles, he will be redirected to the Ganesh Sharma's page, that is the user, and he will be able to see the information of Ganesh Sharma. So this helps in the case of emergency. For example, the a patient is admitted and they don't know the information about patient, and he requires urgent he urgently requires blood donors. So we can check his blood group and other things and details, so we could help out them. And bottom of these services we are able to see the reports which are uploaded by the user on his profile. And whenever we click on one of these reports, that means we click on these list styles, we are able to view the image or report, and it shows that flutter sign that's view saved. This means that if any doctor is viewing this thing, the view is saved, and user will be able to see that Jimmy is the doctor who have seen his report on this particular date. Now let us log in from here and go to the admins page. For admins page, there are different functions for admin. Let us log in from the admins part. In the admins part, we are able to see that the pending requests of the doctors. For example, if we click on any of these list styles, say we are able to see the details of the customer that are or the details of the doctor, that are name, father's name, gender, blood group, mobile number, address, pin code, and national provider identity. So national provider identity is a unique ID given to the doctors of particular country, which is a unique ID. Now at the bottom of this we are having three options, that is verify, allow to upload, and cancel. So if we verify the customer, or if we verify the doctor, we are allowing him to view only, we are allowing him only to view the details of the user. That means that he will be able to view the details of the user. Whereas if we allow him to upload, that means we are verifying him, and also we are allowing him to upload. That means he can upload to any user identity, else he will be not able to upload any of the data. Also now, second coming to the second option, here we can see that admin is able to see the list styles of all the doctors who are registered in the system, who are registered to the partner app. And if he clicks on any of these list styles, he will be able to see the details. And if he wants, if he want that this, he don't want this customer, or he wants to delete this doctor, he could delete this doctor clicking this button, and account is deleted successfully. Now we are not able to see Ravi Sharma's account on the doctor's list style. Thirdly, we are able to see all the users list. For example, Ganesh Sharma, Tom Peterson, Sanjay Sharma, and VD. These are the customer list. And also, if you want to delete any user, he is able to delete that user also with the same way as he have done with the doctor. Thirdly, lastly, admin is able to view all the images which are uploaded till now on the partner app, and he will be able to see all these images and the ID. He can see the ID, and whenever he clicks on this image, he will be able to see the image. Whereas he can also see the name by name which is saved, and the URL on which it is saved. Also user can, or also admin can delete this image at any instance if the image is not according to the app, or the image is not according to the standards set by the company. Therefore, this is the partner app which can be used as the electronic health system. Thank you.